We'll guide you through how to delete duplicates in Google Sheet. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because duplicate data can cause confusion, errors, and inaccurate analysis in spreadsheets. Removing duplicates helps keep data clean, organized, and reliable. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer and go to Google Sheets. Once the page loads, open a new spreadsheet or an existing file that contains your data. Wait until the spreadsheet loads completely before continuing. After that, observe the worksheet displayed on your screen to understand the structure of your data. Next, locate the data that may contain duplicates. Carefully scan your dataset to identify the section you want to clean. Click and drag your cursor to select the data range. Make sure all relevant columns are included in your selection, especially if the duplicates depend on multiple fields. Confirm that the correct cells are highlighted before moving forward. Now, move your cursor to the top menu bar and click the Data menu. From the drop-down list, look for the Data Cleanup option. Hover over Data Cleanup to reveal more options, then click Remove Duplicates. After clicking, wait for the dialog box to appear on the screen. This box will show the selected data range and provide settings for duplicate removal. Observe the selected data range displayed in the dialog box to ensure it matches your intended selection. Then, check the columns you want to analyze for duplicates. Make sure the correct columns are selected based on your needs. If your dataset includes headers, enable the option labeled Data has header row so that the header is not included in the duplicate check. Once everything is set, click the Remove Duplicates button in the dialog box. Wait for the process to complete. After a moment, you will see a result message displayed on the screen. This message will show how many duplicate rows were found and removed from your dataset. Click OK to close the message box. Then, review the updated data in your sheet. Scroll through the dataset carefully to verify the results. Make sure no important data was removed during the process.